You can use any kind you want. They're like a really decent size. So you're gonna pop these in. A little bit of pizza sauce. You can use spaghetti sauce if you don't keep pizza sauce around. We're gonna start with some Italian seasoning. Be adding a little bit of garlic powder and some onion powder. So once we've done that, we're gonna be adding the toppers for this, which is mozzarella and Parmesan. I actually found a Parmesan Romano blend. So we're gonna do a little bit of little mozz on top of each one of these. And then we're gonna be adding our Parmesan. And then we're just gonna top everything with some parsley flakes just to make it look pretty. I'm gonna pop this into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes, and we're gonna come back and take a taste of one of these tasty treats. Oh my gosh, they look so amazing. Okay, I'm gonna take one out. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. Okay, look at that. That looks amazing, right?